Special Advisor Jack Smith recently gave an extraordinary beak order against Donald Trump. Prosecutor wants limit his ability criticize federal criminal case against him for trying disrupt 2020 election loss. He will give more feed claim that Justice Department intervenes in 2024 presidential campaign. This will create more reasons for Smith to search for more harsh measures against the Republican island as a hearing and election approach. But there is no return to satisfy also to make fine-tuning. There is no kind of legal and political processes. As an attack in the 2024 elections of Smith, I was attractive to condemn the request for a beak order. But it would miss this point. The Ministry of Adalet has already decided to push it into middle of election. What does Prosecutor Merrick Garland mean? No one is above law? Smith's regional judge Tanya S. Chutkan's movement should only be looking for a humble or a beak. It is not true. A party, he wants to prevent the expressions of disdain and inflammatory. Follow the views of this author Jason Willick This is managed by the Commander-in-Chief. Through such tasks, continues. The defendant is trying to present his wrong and inflamed claims to the public and jury pool. Outside the court, this passage appears. It shows the width of the beak order that Smith is looking for. Trump wants to prevent Biden from connecting to this prosecution during an election. And there is a foundation for Trump's claim, he said. Former President Donald J. Trump believes that there is a threat to democracy and that he should be tried according to people who are familiar with his comments. Punishment defendants may be subject to beak orders and other restrictions before the hearing. However, it meaningless to ask if Smith's proposed order is compatible with precedent because there no comparable situation. He would represent that a federal judge has brought meaningful limits on the expressions and freedom of a great presidential candidate for first time. Smith adds something heartfelt at end of his movement on oil respect for the first change of defendant.